Hey there. So this workout is 5 rounds. I'm going to do the first full round with you, and we're going to get started. Here we go. So the first one is, I'm calling it Pilates Abs because it's like you would do in a Pilates class, okay? So you're going to lengthen out your handles to where they're right about a foot off the ground. You know, the stirrups are about a foot off the ground. The closer you are to your hands underneath the anchor point, the harder it gets. So you're going to lie back, you're going to push into the handles like this, and then lower and lift. 3. So I'm really pushing into the handles. 4, 5, 6. Neutralize your neck. 7, 8. Push down. 9. Doing 10 of these. 10. Okay. Next one, you're going to bring your handles up a little higher. Do a nice row to a reach. Single handle. Make your single handle. Make sure it's secure. You're going to roll back. It's going to be like the Matrix. Roll back and reach. Explode up 10 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch sides. 1, 2, 3. Really get flattened out here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Double handles, a row to a step up. So you can actually step up on something if you like. Here we go. Row. So step. 1. Alternate. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold at the top. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, next one is the overhead squat. We're going to lengthen these out. Go above your head. 1. It's 10. 2. 3. Pull back on the handles. 4. Keep the band tight. 5. 6. 7. Challenge your arms. Stay up there. 9. 10. Okay, now we're going to do a dip. So adjust your handles so when you put your feet right underneath the anchor point, you can sit back. The anchor and the handles are right about hip level. And down and up. 2. You can make these a little harder and straighten out your legs. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one is a side pull, okay? Keep the handles right around the same length. I'm not going to change my handles. I'm going to roll back, adjust my feet so I get a nice lengthening out here. I'm going to row, and up and over your head. Pull, and reach. I'm going to adjust my feet. 3, 4, 5, row, reach. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch sides. 1, 2. Might take you a couple reps to figure out your distance. 4, where your feet should be. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, last one on this round is a handstand push-up. So take a little time with this one. Don't rush into it. Make it so you're nice and safe and effective. Your handles are going to be almost lengthened out all the way. Feet go in. This one's not to be rushed. Now you're going to walk yourself back. Okay, I'm going to start to lift up. Push up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Nice and easy. Come out of it. Bring your knees down. Woo. There's your round. Enjoy.